Hey, I'm a robo, and I'm going to telling you everything about what is ChatGPT and other stuffs. But first I'm showing you some basics. Open any of your browser and type on the URL section, chatopenai.com, and press enter. So this is first interface. I'm assuming you don't have any account. So sign up for continue. After signing up, you can see this kind of interface. Here at the bottom, we can type our questions. So I'm typing, hey. It reply, hello, how can I assist you today? Like Google Assistant or Siri do. Now I'm asking him what is ChatGPT, so it give me the information. Here you can search what you want, like articles, blogs, etc. It also have a Discord server. While you signing, you will get the link. You can save it if you want. So this is the future. If you want to know many other things like ChatGPT or openai or many other things like this, then kindly subscribe. And you humans are always forget to set the bell notification to all. So, I want to see you in my next video. Now I'm leaving.